Okay, syempre, so, ito, sa Start Windows, right-click mo lang, PowerShell. Okay, Windows PowerShell. Pero, yung iba, wala. So, dito ka lang mag-search. Windows PowerShell. Okay, yun. So, dito, pwede din. Doon, pwede din. So, click lang. Yun. So, dito banda guys, tap lang natin ARM HTTPS musgrave.get/get, tapos ito parang separator or anong, hindi yan L guys, hindi yan L guys, ito yan. Power keyboard muna tayo. Keyboard on screen. Okay. Ito yan guys, yan. Shift. Yan. Yan guys. Okay, yan. Ito yan guys, yung isa. Shift lang. Ito yan guys. Shift tapos yan. Okay. Walang tawag dyan. Sa yan yun. Tapos, IEX. Hit enter. May lalabas dyan guys. Yan. Okay, ito. So, kung hindi pa activated itong Windows mo, so, press mo lang 1. Initiating. Tapos, okay. So, yung akin meron na. Windows is Pro is permanently activated. Okay, ito is not required kasi tapos na. Okay, so yan lang. I-activate mo lang. So, tapos, yun na. I-start mo lang. Tapos i-start. Tingnan mo lang. Tapos tingnan mo lang dito. I-activated na yan. Okay, so yun lang. I hope may natutunan kayo at please don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. Okay, God bless. Thank you.
Byron Jackson.